Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary auction robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. If you like this type of videos, also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram single group, so if you are interested about that, check it out. Also, I need to say, check out my new Forex news robot video. That's a new series I'm going to start here on my channel, and I think you might have interest about that also. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. Okay, we won that trade. It was a super good trade, but we need to keep in mind, always before we start the robot, we need to check the percent on the crypto pairs, because you see we only got 20%. So we gained just like $10-ish on this trade. But still, we won. Our balance is getting closer and closer to 600, so I'm happy with that, by the way. But you should not run the robot if you see, for example, Bitcoin pay you 20%. It's not worth it. So just keep that in mind. But with that, have an amazing day.